Where are you from? Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Do you speak English?
A little. Are you American?
Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Do you speak English? Excuse me, are you American?
No,
Do you speak English?
a little, but not very well.
How long have you been here?
2 months.
What do you do for work?
I'm a student. How about you?
I'm a student too. What's your name? Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Jessica. What's yours?
John.
You speak English very well.
Thank you.
Do you know what time it is?
Sure, it's 5:10 p.m.
What did you say?
I said it's 5:10 p.m.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Asking directions. Hi Michael.
Hi Amy. What's up?
I'm looking for the airport. Can you tell me how to get there?
No, sorry. I don't know.
I think I can take the subway to the airport. Do you know where the subway is?
Sure, it's over there.
Where? I don't see it.
Across the street.
Oh, I see it now. Thanks.
No problem.
Do you know if there's a restroom around here?
Yes, there's one here. It's in the store.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. I'm hungry. Hi Sarah, how are you?
Fine, how are you doing?
Okay.
What do you want to do?
I'm hungry. I'd like to eat something.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to an Italian restaurant.
What kinds of Italian food do you like?
I like spaghetti. Do you like spaghetti?
No, I don't, but I like pizza.
Do you want something to drink? Davis, would you like something to eat?
No, I'm full.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some coffee.
Sorry, I don't have any coffee.
That's okay, I'll have a glass of water.
A small glass, or a big one?
Small please.
Here you are.
Thanks.
You're welcome. That's too late. Mary, would you like to get something to eat with me?
Okay, when?
At 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock in the morning.
No, at night.
Sorry, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10 o'clock p.m.
Okay, how about 2:30?
No, that's too early. I'll still be at work then.
How about 6 o'clock p.m.?
That's fine.
Okay, see you then.
Alright, bye.
Choosing a time to meet. Jennifer, would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes, that would be nice. When do you want to go?
Is today okay?
Sorry, I can't go today.
How about tomorrow night?
Okay, what time?
Is 8 o'clock p.m. alright?
I think that's too late.
Is 5 o'clock p.m. okay?
Yes, that's good. Where would you like to go?
The Italian restaurant on 5th Street.
Oh, I don't like that restaurant. I don't want to go there.
How about the Korean restaurant next to it?
Okay, I like that place.
Vacation to Canada. What's today's date?
It's July 5th.
When are you going on vacation?
I'm leaving on Sunday. We're going to Canada.
Really? The day after tomorrow? That's very soon.
Yeah, I know.
How long are you going to stay there?
About 2 weeks.
When are you coming back?
I'm coming back on the 17th.
All right, have a nice trip. Who is that woman? Joseph, who is that woman?
That's Susan.
What does she do for work?
She's a lawyer.
Is she American?
No, but she speaks English fluently.
She's really tall. Do you know her?
Yes, I know her. We're friends.
Who's that man standing next to her?
Which man?
That short guy on her right. What's his name?
Oh, that's Matt.
He's really good looking.
Yeah.
Do you know him?
I don't know him, but I think my sister does.
Is he married?
Yes, he's married.
I remember now. I've met him before. Where are you from? Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Do you speak English?
A little. Are you American?
Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Do you speak English? Excuse me, are you American?
No.
Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
How long have you been here?